Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. In my previous video, I shared about the qualifications to become a proofreader. If you haven't seen it yet, you may check it here. Today, we'll talk about the techniques for effective proofreading. You might have submitted your applications to various companies by this time, and I thought these tips would help you in proofreading. Proofreading is not just about reading a document and identifying errors. It's about wanting to improve the sentences in the document you're working on, making them smooth, interesting, and clear. Choose to proofread at the time of the day when you are most alert to spot errors. It's better to work when our body is on the mood. If possible, do your proofreading in several short blocks of time. You don't want to overwhelm your mind and stop functioning. Decide which medium lets you proofread most diligently. You can choose to work right at a computer or print a hard copy so you can mark up as you read. Read the text aloud and slowly. This technique lets you hear how the words sound together. When you read silently or fast, you may skip over errors or make unconscious corrections. Placing a ruler under each line as you read will give your eyes a manageable amount of text to read. Proofread for only one kind of error at a time. Don't try to identify and revise too many things at once because you will lose your focus. It's easier to catch grammar errors if you're not checking punctuations and spelling at the same time. Read the text backwards. By reading the document backwards, sentence by sentence, you are able to focus only on the words and sentences without paying attention to the content. Find a quiet place to work. Do not proofread while in front of the TV and listening to your favorite music. You may do such on a break to relax your mind. But while working, you try to concentrate and avoid any distractions. Do not rely entirely on grammar and spelling checkers. These tools can be useful, but they can misidentify or catch errors. You may want to use a grammar checker to help you identify potential run-on sentences, but make sure to know how to apply the feedback they provide. Similarly, a spell checker may mark a correct word as wrong simply because the word is not found in the spell checker's dictionary. You may want to supplement these tools by using a dictionary and other grammar resources to check your work. Now that you have learned some techniques for effective proofreading, give it a try and master your skills along the way. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!